Okay, so this is going to be a quick example of how to deploy a smart contract to the Fuji test network using Remix and your MetaMask wallet. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your MetaMask is set to the correct network. So you'll open up your MetaMask, click here, make sure you're connected to Fuji, which we are. Next thing you want to do is change your environment to be the injected provider. So what this is going to do is essentially connect to the Fuji network through your MetaMask wallet. And then once everything's compiled, you can just click deploy. Now this is just a sample degen contract that I put together. We get the confirmation here saying the fees for deployment. We'll click confirm. Then once it's finished and the transaction is finalized, we should be getting a contract address, which we have right here. So when you deploy it, you automatically have this access to it where you can begin to call functions and things. But in the off chance that, say, you already deployed it and you're coming back to Remix and you no longer have access to this, all you'd have to do is just paste the contract address into this field here and then click Add Address, and that will reconnect you to your contract. So once you're here, you can just start running everything that's on your contract. So you can do your get balance, your name, owner. We can go ahead and mint tokens if we want. So if we just put in our address here, say we'll mint 1,000. You can see we're getting this confirmation window here. That means that we are interacting directly with the Fuji network. So everything is looking pretty good. Transaction has completed successfully, so we'll go ahead now and check the balance of the account, and we can see that we now have 1,000 there. And just to clean this up so I don't have those chilling on my wallet, we'll just go ahead and burn that balance, which is actually going to be burn tokens. Let's burn 1,000. Okay, and we click again, and we can see that we are at 0. So that's just a quick overview on how you would do this. If you get an error, for instance, if you try to run it and it says that you have a error of a failed opcode or something, chances are your Solidity version is too old. So just bump it up to something like this, 8.18, and then it should just work just fine. Okay, I hope this helps, and take care.